Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. My name is Connor. In this video, I'll be going over AIQuant, which is a brand new crypto project that enables anyone to launch their own AI-powered trading agent. These AI Quants trade 24/7 using technical on-chain and sentiment data, which takes human emotion completely out of the game. This project has the potential to totally change how people approach automated trading bots in the crypto market. Now, before we get into this video, I will say it is a sponsored video. However, do not let that deter you. This project is legit and you're going to want to watch this one. So let's get into it. So AIQuant lets anyone out there launch their own AI trading agent that will trade smarter, faster, as well as with unshakable, emotionless precision. Because as a human being, we all have greed and fear that can interfere with our trading decisions. So an AI trading bot completely takes that out of the game. And I think AI trading bots are going to be the future of trading in general. And AIQuant looks like they could be the first movers in building out a one that actually does what you need it to do. So anyone can launch their own quant. There is a subscription model with it, and then there's a 0.1 Ethereum fee to launch the quant. These can trade on Solana, Base, and the Binance Smart Chain, the BNB chain, to start. And I'm sure they will be adding more functionality in the future. So they have been doing a beta test, as you can see here. So the total autonomous trades so far, 103,500 autonomous trades already so far, and almost $25 million in volume. So these things are proven to work. And they actually have this quant here. This one is called Premium Edge. And Premium Edge has actually been trading with real money. They were using like a test beta, but this one's been trading with real money and is currently up, as you can see, $170 in net P&L. So it actually does make money for you. And of course, you can predetermine how much it will invest for you and all of those things. If you guys want to learn everything about this project, I will leave the link to this website down in the description below. But under the Academy, they actually have videos on how to get started, how to set up your trading quant, how to set up your strategy, all of these things, right? We can click on this video here. And
profit taking.
This guy here is Marlin. He's actually the founder of this project. He's a real person. You can follow him on X at Marlin Williams. His name is barchef.eth. But this guy is fully doxxed. He actually runs the Atlanta Blockchain Center, which is an in real life center. And he's also the founder of several projects, including Starter Labs as well as AIQuant. So if you guys want to learn more about Marlin, follow him on X. And he also did this interview with, this was 3 months ago, at the end of May. And here's just a quick snippet on who Marlin is.
In DeFi 2020, I was building just yield protocols and experimenting in DeFi, which led me to build an IDO launchpad that became one of the top launchpads in the space, IDO.
That's Starter.
IDO space. And now I'm running the Atlanta Blockchain Center, which is an IRL facility, and building AIQuant, because I do believe that we're living at a time where we've never seen this sort of disruption before. And this is coming from someone who has seen the major technology cycles from the internet to the rise of e-commerce and the explosion of social media.
Anyways, I'll leave the link to this video down in the description below. Look, this video is not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. I'm just here to deliver this information to you today, but I do recommend you actually look into this one because I actually do think it has real potential and it's a very legitimate project. Also, go check out the Academy, right? They made videos, Marlin made videos on how to set up everything with your quant. They also have the documentation section, which is if you're more of a text-written type of person, you can go through this documentation and you can learn everything about AIQuant, from how to launch your own agents, how to get started letting them trade for you, how to set it all up. So go check out the documentation, again, using the link down in the description below. Now, when it comes to their social media presence, you can see here 5,600 followers. They do have that gold check mark on X. Right, the token generation event for the AIQ token is going to be September 16th. They did have seed investing by VCs, I assume, right? Seed round investors. However, the only way I'm aware of now to participate in the token is through an IDO launchpad, or you can wait until September 16th when it actually does go live, and you can just trade it on any regular decentralized exchange like any other token out there. But we can see right now that Starter Labs is going to be doing an IDO launch through their platform, and this is going to be on Tuesday, September 16th at 2 p.m. UTC time. Also, they're going to be doing one with Pools Finance. So Pools Finance, another IDO launchpad, and they're going to be launching this one on September 15th, okay? And when it comes to the tokenomics, so the fully diluted valuation is going to be 6 million, but the token generation event market cap is going to be 500,000, and 100% of the tokens will be unlocked at TGE that you do buy in the IDO launchpad. I have also heard rumors that TrebleSwap will be doing an IDO on their launchpad as well. So if you guys are staking your Treb, be on the lookout, because that likely will let you participate on the IDO if you're interested in doing that. Now let's go ahead and move on. I'll get into the full tokenomics in just a moment. But when it comes to the actual technical trading that these AI quants will do for you, it's pretty advanced, and they're using a lot of AI tech to be able to, make it so advanced. So AI Quant uses continuous data feeds to monitor crypto markets and evaluate tokens. Some of the sources include DexScreener, Birdseye, and Dune. It's a multi-layered architecture that ensures high reliability as well as adaptability. So when it comes to the token analysis, they are discovered, and then they are classified into categories such as active, dormant, pending, or rejected based on performance across technical, on-chain, and social metrics. And then what happens is the token evaluation relies on configurable thresholds for multiple parameters such as liquidity, age volatility, and sentiment, ensuring flexibility across different market conditions. They do use technical analysis. These quants do use TA. So they use the RSI to measure the market momentum, again, whether it's overbought or oversold, basic RSI. The MACD detects momentum shifts, and Bollinger Bands, so they identify price volatility and potential breakouts, and then just basic moving averages, simple moving averages, as well as exponential moving averages, EMAs, which highlight long-term trends. You guys all know EMAs, right? I always have the 200 daily EMA on my chart for a reason, and these AI quants, you can program it if you want to, can do the same. So these indicators are used with configurable thresholds to trigger buy or sell conditions, ensuring adaptability to market dynamics. When it comes to a trading system, if you read any trading book out there, it's going to tell you you need to trade like a robot and just follow your system and keep your emotions out of it. How many people have heard that before? Let me know in the comment section down below. We all have heard that before, okay? Because that's how you need to trade. You need to trade your system, and you need to execute when your system presents itself, no matter how scary it might be to buy with a big red candle. If your system says to buy, you need to do it, all right? If you've gotten in your own way in the past, well, something like AI Quant is going to let you to not get in your own way, because it's going to be a robot that's just going to trade your system for you. I hope you guys understand that. So anyways, when it comes to the evaluation, they use on-chain and market metrics. So AI Quant evaluates tokens with a comprehensive set of configurable on-chain metrics. They check liquidity to ensure sufficient depth in trading pairs to minimize slippage, with thresholds such as $50,000 of minimum liquidity. They check the transaction activity. So this tracks the ratio of buy to sell volume and total trade count over periods ranging from 30 minutes to 24 hours. And they also check the holder distribution to make sure that it's basically not just a crazy rug pull. So they assess the risk by evaluating the concentration among the top holders. And you can set metrics for this. So the market metrics like price volatility and trading volume trends are integrated to protect potential price manipulation or unhealthy token ecosystems, aka rug pulls basically. And then they also use social metrics, which is pretty interesting. So they check the sentiment analysis. So the weighted sentiment scores across platforms like Telegram, Twitter, and they highlight the overall mood toward a token. They check the influencer activity. So they see if influencers are posting, and the interactions from the top 20 key opinion leaders. And they also check the community metrics, which tracks unique contributors, posts, and trend direction to gauge token popularity and engagement. So some pretty crazy stuff here, really. Normally, you would have to check all of this yourself. This AI Quant's going to check it in like less than a minute for you, and it's going to evaluate immediately if it's worth buying or selling or even trading the token altogether. And then as well, they have the token monitoring framework, which is just really like for security. right? So they check if the tokens are active and responsive without excessive risks. They check the agent security of the token, see if it's been audited, minting and freezing functions, renounced contracts, and they check if it's listed on decentralized exchanges so that you can actually, trade it and has liquidity. Look, guys, I'm not going to go over all the details. This would be like an hour-long video. Go read these docs. I will leave the link down in the description below. It is worth the read, for sure it is. Now, when it comes to the tokenomics, so we can read AIQuant's tokenomics system creates a sustainable and incentivized ecosystem, ensuring users and backers benefit from the platform's success. They leverage the AIQ tokens, bonding curves, and carefully allocated transaction fees. The platform does fuel growth, rewards participation, and builds value for AI Quants. So 20% of the tokens will be going to the core team, 3% will be going to equity funding, 7% to advisors, 1% to a airdrop, to the Biddle airdrop, 15% for strategic reserve use, such as future listings and partnerships, as well as expansion, 45% to the treasury, 2% to the TGE, and 7% for liquidity providing rewards. And again, AI Quant is a new subsidiary of Starter Labs, and Marlon Williams is the founder of Starter Labs as well as AI Quant. Right, so go follow Marlon. He is worth following, especially if you were interested in this project. So like I said earlier, there's a hatching fee for the agent. 0.1 ETH is required to actually make the agent. And then there is a subscription model as well to keep the agent going, basically, right? So you pay the subscription, and then you have to pay the hatching fee of 0.1 ETH to launch your own quant. Now, they do plan on tokenizing these quants in the future, which is pretty interesting. And they will be using a token bonding curve model for that. And these have, like, if you make an AI agent that has a really good proven track record and it's making money for people, making money for you, well, guess what? Other people are going to want to use that AI agent. So they will buy it. They'll buy that token. And it's going to probably create some kind of crazy speculative storm, especially when AI starts to really pop off in this market. But anyways, guys, be on the lookout for the AI Quant IDO. The TGE is happening on the 16th of September, and the 16th of September is going to be next Tuesday. So the IDO is going to be on Monday through a lot of different platforms such as Starter, Pools, as well as Treble Swap. So mark it on your calendar and get ready for this one. I think it could be really interesting. It's launching at a 500K market cap, so it's going to be very volatile at the beginning. Be aware of that. This video is not financial advice. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to do your own research. So in this video, I talked about AI Quant, which is a brand new project that lets anyone out there launch their own AI trading bot, aka have their own quant trade for you. I think this one could be big. Let me know what you guys think after this video. Leave your thoughts down in the description below. Are you bullish on this project? Do you think it could be a success, or are you concerned? Let me know your thoughts down below. If you liked the video, smash that like button. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.